You guys, I'm literally going on a trip this weekend and I had zero time to prepare. I'm so sorry that this roads in Vadodara are really bad and the rain has made it more bad. I don't know why I went off track. But basically, I'm going on a trip this weekend and boy have I prepared zero, nothing. My skin looks super damaged, hurtful. Oh my gosh, I was about to crash it. Like, let me wait and then do it. I swear to you, the roads right now are super bad. Literally, I like to drive my car from 60 to 80 km/h, like kilometer per hour. But right now, I'm driving from 20 to 40 and it just sucks. It sucks. Like, don't ask me to drive if I want to drive like this slowly. Like, I'm no grandma, bitch. I want to like overtake and do that stuff. Like, who the fuck is Lewis Hamilton? Me. I'm probably not going to put that because I'm not Lewis Hamilton. But you get the point. I like to rash drive because that's how I express myself. I like to drive like we drive to survive, sort of. Anyways, hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Akshita Pagar and today we are gonna get my first fucking facial. First or second, I don't remember. I might have gotten it ages ago. But does my skin need it? Can't tell. I have a full face of makeup. Anyways, this is the first time I'm going to the salon. It's called as Studio 20 and let's be honest, am I late? Very fucking late because I was supposed to go at 12. They were waiting for me and then I texted them at 1 saying, bro, I can't make it. My car literally due to the rain it's not working, which was a blatant lie because my car was working. It was fine. It's just I woke up at 11 and then I just couldn't get myself out of the bed. Call me what you want. I'm not a very on time girl, okay? I am lazy. What can we do about it? But anyways, it's 2:13 right now. I've reached the place. Also, the roads were like, bro, let me just give you a look how the roads were. It was so bad. Like, who the fuck, even Lewis Hamilton would have been like, can I get a driver? I don't want to drive here. I don't know. I'm obsessed with Lewis Hamilton. What can I do? So I did not tell you guys why I'm getting the facial. Basically, I'm getting a whole thing done. I'm also going to laser after this. It's because I'm going on a trip. She's going on a trip. So we're gonna get facial done, pedicure done, manicure done, laser, hair removal, waxing, everything.
You want water?
Yeah.
Cold?
Normal. Yeah. Thank you. I'm just gonna devour this baby up. Me getting my first facial. I'm super excited. Hopefully the skin will be glowing by the end of it. Right now it's glowing because I've got highlighter. I'm so sorry.
It's okay, no problem.
That's why. Okay, they took me to this cute little chamber which has a Red Bull. I love it. This is what it looks like. It's so aesthetic. Fuck, it's aesthetic. I love that. Also, do you want to see my outfit? It's really cute. Yeah. It's okay. It's okay. We've got the top from H&M. The skirt is from Naps. I love it. We've got minimal jewelry because we do have to remove it. This is what my skin looks like. Right now, it has a full face of makeup. Basically, you can see it into lunch.
I'm a beautician. I'm Twinkle Shah. आज का क्या सर्विस है आपका मैम? फेशियल है. ओके. आपने कभी फेशियल कराया है? नहीं. कभी नहीं? ओके फाइन. नॉर्मली बेसिक क्लीनअप वगैरह या डिटेलिंग कुछ और कुछ या कुछ भी नहीं?
I've not touched myself.
ओके. होम केयर में कुछ यूज़ करते हो?
Yeah, the basic wala mask I use that and coffee wala.
होम केयर में मतलब प्योर होम केयर?
Yeah.
ओके फाइन. सो उससे कुछ रिजल्ट मिलता है आपको या?
It's good for brightening. But
Okay.
अभी extraction and everything you can't do at home. So
Okay,
that's why
fine.
I'm ready to come here.
ठीक. हमारे पास स्किनडोर की ब्रांड है. हम स्किनडोर की ब्रांड यूज़ करते हैं.
Okay.
सो हमारे स्किनडोर की ब्रांड काफ़ी अच्छी है. जैसे कि जब आप मॉर्निंग में उठते हो
Oily.
ओके.
Oily combination skin. I get a lot of oil.
मतलब टी जोन आपका ऑयली रहता है
और
हर
nose
चीज़
is तो
आपका-
filled with oil.
ओके फाइन. और चीक आपका थोड़ा सा ड्राई रहता है.
This is very dry.
Okay,
but
fine.
यहाँ पे बहुत oil.
ऑयल रहता है. मतलब हाँ, मतलब इतना पोर्शन जो होगा ना वो टी जोन है. ये
Yeah.
पोर्शन जो है वो ऑयली रहता होगा. इतना सेक्शन जो है, ये वाला जो सेक्शन है वो आपका ड्राई रहता होगा.
So I swear they gave me like 15 minutes of gyan on my skin. She's like literally rubbing my skin. And the makeup came off. She's like, why do you have makeup on? You came for a facial. But it was in front of camera, so she tried to act very cool. But babes, I get you. Anyways, she gave me this and now she's bringing the products. She's here. We are going for the vitamin C. Let me show you the products. They're really cool. These are all the products. She's probably gonna give me a deep intake on all of these, and I'm not gonna get it, but still I'm gonna include it just because why not? Yeah, go ahead.
ये फर्स्ट क्लींजिंग होगा, उसके बाद हमारे पास एंजाइम पील आएगा। ये एंजाइम पील है, ये आपकी ये एंजाइम पील है। मेरे पास दूसरा है एंजाइम पील, ये नॉर्मल सॉफ्ट स्क्रब जैसा होता है। ये आपकी स्किन को ब्लैकेट्स वाइटेस को ओपन करेगा, उसको हम अच्छे से रिमूव करेंगे। रिमूव करने के बाद हम टोनर अप्लाई करेंगे। टोनर आपकी स्किन को जो ब्लैकेट्स वाइटेस हमने जो ली है, ओपन किया है, मतलब जो किया है ना, उसको वो लॉक करने का काम करेगी। जिससे आपका ब्लैकेट्स वाइटेस जल्दी ओपन ना हो। वो प्रोडक्ट जो पोज है ना, उसको वो लॉक करने का काम। आरसी वाला बूस्टर है, ये आपकी स्किन को मॉइस्चराइजर।
Okay, this is the first time I'm having this experience. They've given me coffee, which is black, which is really good. I wanted eyes, they don't have eyes, which is totally okay. Deal. But I love the experience. It's giving good, like relaxed feeling with ambient music and stuff like that. I love it. I totally dig this. And by the way, I don't know. I'll give you a before and after of my skin for sure. Also, I'm taking photos and wasting their time because why not? I'm such a bitch for that. I literally chunked the coffee because we're getting late. Does anyone do this after drinking coffee? Because you don't want your teeth to be yellow. Like mine is literally chipped, babe. Like what should I be scared of? Yellow? Shall we leave? Let's go. It's okay. Okay, this is the after video. I swear this is the best day of my life. Like the experience was 10 on 10. Like if I have adult money, I'm gonna do this every single month. I'm so shocked on how my skin looks. It's glowy. Look at how snatched I look. I came looking like a pakoda. Now I'm going looking like a diva. Literally. Like I had no jawline, now I do because she worked on it. There's no pigmentation, very good. I do have pigmentation right over here, but it has nothing to do with this. Also my nose, she extracted the shit out of it. Right now it's super inflamed, but I'm like, also she gave me a back massage. I feel like I went to heaven and came back. I didn't film it because I was butt naked, literally butt naked, and bro, I swear I've had the best experience today. I cannot like touch wood. Like this is so good. Like get it done once in your life. It's so good. It's so freaking good. I'm just gonna wash my face and put SPF on because she told me that's important, because this was an enzyme peel. So basically they took one layer of my skin off without actually damaging it, which is amazing. gave me my own little SPF. This is so cute. I'm gonna take this home. No, I'm gonna apply it and then take it home. What's the point? What's the point? I'm so happy. I'm actually really happy. Also getting my brows done because they are very bushy. Okay, you guys, so yesterday basically I did not get my laser because they told me very specifically that this was an enzyme peel, so there are chances for the skin to react. So I did not get my laser, so I'm getting it today early morning. Like Didi just came in and she called me, she's like, Akshita, come, but I forgot to wax. So I'm gonna go and wax right now, and after that I'm gonna go get my laser. By the way, just letting you know, if you're planning to get laser, go with waxing and then getting your laser rather than shaving and then getting your laser, because the difference is phenomenal. Like people will tell you it's okay, use shaving, like use a no, waxing. That's where your skin gets smooth. And yeah, that's it. Also, I'm not gonna take you to the process because let me be honest, I don't think so she's gonna be very impressed. Plus I feel like it's like very painful and I don't want to take you guys through a journey of me crying. Yeah, that's it. See you after that. Also, we are not sure if we can do like the Sulas. I call this the Sula, sweaty upper lips, because it's really tough after the facial. So we'll see about that. So I got my brows done yesterday. What do you think about them? These are new glasses, by the way. I did a haul yesterday and I posted it. Go watch it right now and then let me drive, because my driving is really nice. I'll be very honest with you. My driving is phenomenally good, so I can like make it work. Anyways, see you. Back after winning award. We are back after the gruesome experience, and oh my god, it was so bad. Like literally 2 people, 1 hand each. Girls know the trauma. But basically now I'm gonna apply some sunscreen because I did not apply it before waxing, or else my hair wouldn't have come off. So I'm gonna do it right now. Also, when she was doing my upper lip, she told me, bro, your skin is like so, delicate, do not get it lasered. I'm still gonna ask my laser auntie if it's possible. If it's possible, I'm gonna get lasered. If it's not possible, then bye bye. But I'll still have to go. Chalo, let's see. I'm literally leaving tomorrow. Do you wanna see how awful my room just looks? Basically, I have to get my nails done. Now that we are done with the hair part, to wash my hair, get my nails done. I wanted to DIY my bag, so we have to do that. We have to pack my bags and I have to be done with everything tonight. Do you get how important it is? And it's already 7 p.m. Also, tomorrow I have to wake up at 5 to drop my parents at the airport, and then after that I have a shoot at 6, and then at 9 I'm taking a train to Ahmedabad. It's gonna be so jam-packed, so fucking jam-packed. But anyways, we deal with the mess. That's what girls do. A girl can do multitasking. A girl can do everything. Come on, let's go. Also, right now we are gonna go buy new shoes for me because I don't have shoes. And also I got my paycheck, so I'm like, might as well get new shoes. So yeah, let's go. I'm not driving. She's gonna be driving. I am not driving with her. These are cute. These are so cute. Wait. We've got an open toe. I just came back from the store, and let me just tell you this. I went through, I think, hundreds of shoes and hundreds of slippers. The problem is I don't want an open toe. Like, there were pretty slippers, but they were all open toe. Some of them I really wanted to buy, but then I was like, is it really worth it? But tomorrow I'm anyways going to Ahmedabad, so I can probably go to Palladium and try a few from them. Try a few different stores, experience a new experience, probably get something very unique. Until then, I'm gonna wear my Crocs. Let me show you my Crocs because they are really good. Where's my Crocs? Also, it's already 9. Did I tell you guys it's 9 already? These are my Crocs and they are extremely beautiful. And I think they're the most comfiest and most reliable shoes right now in monsoon. And they've got Pomon and Timba. Do you guys remember Pomon and Timba? Yeah, that's what I'm gonna probably wear. And let me show you what I got from Etsy Bitsy, because I did go to Etsy Bitsy, but I did not film because I had to walk to Etsy Bitsy and it was literally so far and people were being people. Let's just say that. I got really cute beads and all. Most people keep asking me, where do you get your bracelets from? Listen, I just get random stuff from random places and I make it. But Etsy Bitsy is one of my go-to shops. I got a trident for tomorrow. This is one of my favorite chewing gums, okay? You guys have to try this, but the green flavor. Not the watermelon one, the mint green flavor. Okay. What did I get? I got a glue. This one is all-purpose glue. I got these beads. They're very tiny. I was thinking about making a bracelet. Also, I did not get my watch repaired because the store was closed because of Muharram. I forgot that today was Muharram. Sorry, my wardrobe is open, but I'm too lazy to get up and close it. Then I got these. They are called as grommets as far as I remember, but I could not find them in the size I wanted because I really wanted to DIY on this bag that I got recently. If you've not seen the haul video, go watch it. So I wanted to DIY and make it more Jane Birkin kind of a vibe. The charms and everything, because that's literally my personality and I don't know why I have not done that, so I thought maybe I'll do it. So I got grommets which are extremely small, because this bag, if you've not seen, it's very slouchy. If I put anything on the handle, it's not gonna look pretty, so I'll have to make holes. I know I'm taking a big risk, but I think I'll be okay. I'll be okay. Also, I got these just so I could, like, you know, do something with it. I don't know why. That's it. That's all I got. Now I'm just planning to watch a good K-drama, chill for a little, and while doing that I'm gonna do my nails. I was thinking I'll go for like a baby pink color. I have a color in mind. Let's see how it turns out, because right now my nails are extremely fragile and they look so crusty, dusty. It's extremely weird walking around with crusty, dusty nails when you've just got acrylics two weeks ago. It's so weird. Like, the feeling of non-painted nails for me is very weird. So I'm anyways gonna paint it. I'm also gonna use my UV light lamp because I only use gel polish. I don't know why, but I've gotten into using gel polish. I don't use normal polish because A, they do not stay for a long time. B, it's so much hassle drying them off, and apparently on my nails they do not dry that easily. I mean, if you find a good brand, just let me know, but the ones that I've been using, bro, they're so bad. I've used almost all of them. I've used the one that you get in Big Bazaar. I've used all the big brands also, huh? Color Bar, Revlon claims that in 60 seconds it's gonna dry. No, it does not, ma'am. Also, if you pinch them, they're always wet. Anyways, we're gonna do a gel paint. I was thinking black. Do you want to see a transition? Because 1, 2. I just got my nails done. Okay, sick thing just happened. Basically, I literally got a message from Kowai Vivo saying my boarding starts in 20 minutes. And I'm like, excuse me? Isn't the flight tomorrow? The flight's tomorrow. I just freaked out and I called the call center and they were like, no, your flight is tomorrow. Don't worry. You just got a message because it's 1 and we send a message to everyone just to remind that their flight is today itself. And I'm like, oh my God. I literally was freaking out. I'm like, now I can't book the flights. Like, my trip is all gone. But anyways, so far it's 1 a.m. We've taken a shower. We've done our nails. Packing is yet to be done. Room is yet to be clean. I have a little bit of work which is yet to be done again.
What is the album? Niggas and bird bitches.